today's the day. Now, I'm gonna make it sound better. I'm gonna switch something out that I just hate in the Subaru. So, I'm gonna make it sound better, and I hope that it goes well. I'm gonna go to my local audio store, Allen Ed's, do great work. So, talk to them, get some stuff worked out. I set an appointment to bring my car there. So, I wanted to install this myself, but they do an awesome job with all their stuff, so I wanted to bring it to them. I'm here in my car, right? This is the head unit that I'm gonna switch out. It's not the worst head unit or like the OEM like system that comes in a car. Like, it visually looks good, yeah? It looks good. But this head unit, the sound quality, yeah, the matched up with the speakers and whatever, it's not good at all. This doesn't sound great. So I'll play this song real quick. If you really listen to that, it sounds like crap. Like absolute crap. And I hope the audio can pick it up. That is why I'm switching it out. Eventually switch out the speakers as well, but I want to do the head unit first so I could show you guys how much the head unit just improves the sound quality. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this first. So I'm gonna drop my car off at Allen Ed's, and yeah, I'll see you guys when it's done. See you later. Oh. How's it going? You got all of it working? Oh yeah, I mean I never really use it, so. I don't know why F8 from the program for FM like. Really? Yeah, I don't know why. So gnarly, dude. I want to make this video, you know, very easy to watch. Is that possible for you guys? Is easy to watch? I don't know, but whenever I sit here, I see a bunch of cool cars drive by, and then people are like this. When they're driving by, they're just like, is that Dustin Williams? Everyone always breaks their freaking necks when they're driving by here, but yeah, anyways, getting to the point. Look at this thing. Look at this head unit. Let's go to the home. So this head unit is the Sony XAV-AX100. Now, I am so sorry if I'm wrong, but that's what it's called. The Sony XAV-100. So nice. Oh my gosh, I just can't get over the fact with how nice this head unit is. Now, if you go to the settings, you could go down. I didn't set any of this stuff really, but oh, right here. Look at, you can change the wallpaper and upload your own. You can upload your own. Like, you can have all these cool colors. I want to keep this blue one for now. But like, how dope is that? The features on this head unit, it's awesome. You could set your background. I'm gonna do my car or something cool like that. So from the settings, you could do like extra bass, you could mess with the equalizer. If you're wondering, why did you get a Sony head unit? The reason why I got the Sony head unit is because everyone's been getting those Android head units and freaking, oh my god, I don't know why you guys are getting those. I've been watching videos of people installing them and they're like all laggy, and they had to make a newer version for you guys so it's less laggy. Just get a legit one, please. How much are those things? Like 400 bucks? This thing was $330, and it makes the stock speakers sound so much better. It's like a mod that you need to get for this car. For the placement of this head unit, you need to get this double din deck right here, and I got the piano black one. Now I bought this from crutchfield.com, and they include one for you, but it's a piece of crap. You need to upgrade to this one. The link will be in the description below on the double din deck that you need to get for it to fit this perfectly. Just don't get the knockoff freaking whatever the hell the name of that head unit is. Just don't get it. I don't know. It's all you. It's your Subaru. It's your car. You do what you want, but I Someone honked. Did someone? Someone's honking. I'm getting all worked up just talking about it, you know? Just too much, you know? Just thinking about that head unit. It's making me crazy. So you go home, right? And it brings you to this page, and there's like the tuner, the radio. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, there you go. That's how you turn it off. So then there's the Bluetooth audio. But honestly, with this Apple CarPlay thing that I'm gonna get to in a second, you don't need this. Apple CarPlay comes in clutch with this thing. I freaking love Apple CarPlay, and I wish that the 18s came with it, but I'm pretty sure the 19s come with Apple CarPlay. But then there's the phone. Now that it's connected to my phone right here, it has all my contacts in here, right? It has all my contacts, so then I can, you know, calls, the keypad, voicemails, you know, it's super cool. This thing's freaking awesome. Now, this is a feature that I really love. I could freaking stream my reverse camera without having my car in reverse. Like, I could just start driving away like this. Like, I could literally start driving and the reverse camera will continue. I don't even know, honestly. It's freaking dope. Now, the only thing that I have a concern about this head unit, just one thing, is just how tiny this thing is. Like, I'd be turning up the volume and have to turn it like 5 revolutions for it to go up, and to turn it down, it's the same thing, and it's just like hard to spin. But regardless, this thing's freaking awesome, and it's small like that to keep that sleek design. Honestly, it looks good, but the functions I wish it was more sensitive. Moving on to the Apple CarPlay. So they hook this thing up with the Apple CarPlay. There's like a little tender thing right here, so it charges my phone like really well. Like look at that. My phone is like, it's not gonna focus, but yeah, it charges my phone like nuts. And once you plug it in, your phone's gonna be charging the whole time, and this thing pops up. So then you go like this, right? You click the home button as if it's your iPhone, and look at that, dude. You got your phone book that I already showed. You get all your music right here. Like, look at, you could go to all your playlists, your artists. You could browse Apple Music. Well, that's what I have right now, so it's this app. I don't use Spotify. You got your radio stations on here, and you can see what's playing now. And then to move on to the best part about this is that there's this, the maps, dude. How cool is this? It has the freaking maps. And then let's say I want to go to Big Sur. Look at that. It's already locating it. And then we're like, oh yeah, let's not use my phone. Let's use this. Go. Look at that. It already has all my directions set. I could do the overview so I could see how far it's gonna take, like how it's gonna be, go to details, could go on the direction. That is one feature that I freaking love about this head unit, is that when I set the map in my car, it just goes right there on my head unit, and I don't have to have any navigation system put in my car or anything, because it goes based off of my phone. To move on, you got your messages.
Who do you want to send it to?
Nick Ritchie.
What do you want to say?
Hey, you're gonna be in my YouTube video.
Your message to Nick Ritchie says, hey, you're going to be in my YouTube video. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
Freaking, you could send messages just like that, and you're just driving around, whatever. Oh, let's see what, and then you could see what he says.
Nick Ritchie said, where? When?
Open my trunk real quick. No. Oh my god, this is a mess back here. I need to bolt the sub down. This is that old head unit. It's already diamond piano black, so. Oh, what's up? How's it going?
Yeah, you get some more pictures?
Yeah, I did. I'm filming a video right now. Yeah, just filming a new video just got my head unit installed. Yeah. Subwoofer.
Oh, sound, all about
Yeah,
sound.
yeah,
right?
yeah. Got a head unit and the subwoofer. So I got this sub. It's the Diamond Audio sub. It's pretty awesome. And then that's what I pair with the speakers.
When I see you
it just sounds crystal clear, honestly. It's super awesome, and I love it. But it rattles like a lot, yeah. But anyways, that's just about what sums up the head unit. I have the Diamond Audio subwoofer in my car, and it makes it sound so good. I just gotta dynamat it, because it rattles so much. It gets out of hand sometimes, but yeah, I freaking love how the speakers sound. And if you guys are planning on getting a head unit done or subwoofer done, I would hit up Allen Eds. They're right in Vista off Plaza Drive about. They do some good work. They installed everything. They got my steering wheel controls put in. All that's working. No issues with anything, honestly. So yeah, guys, if you guys are planning on doing that stuff, definitely hit up Allen Eds. They'll help you out. They really will. I hope you guys liked this video. You know, it wasn't that interesting. It was just mainly me talking about my audio stuff and how I made it sound the way it sounds. Thanks for watching today's video. Stay tuned until the next one. There's always gonna be new things coming out. I'm never gonna sleep on you guys with that. So yeah, stay positive, keep doing what you want to do, keep your goals alive, stay true to yourself, know what's real, know what's fake, and always keep striving for more. Never settle, guys. Till next time, be so positive.